on board the management of JMC projects as promised. Remember, they're in focus on account of the order win worth about 940 odd crore rupees. Joining in right now is Mr. Manoj Tulsian, the whole-time director and CFO of the company. Welcome to Market Sense. Mr. Tulsian, to begin with, congratulations on this order. Can you just break it up for us? 940 crore rupees. What is the breakdown of the orders that have been received?
Good afternoon. Thank you, Avan. All these orders, 942 crores, what we have received is for elevated corridors. There are 3 orders. 2 of them are from in Nagpur and 1 is in Madurai, and they are all from NHAI. The beginning to the year has been very good.
Right. Sir, if you could just tell us with these orders, what is your total order book now, and will the focus in FY19 be on higher execution?
Well, so the total order book as of today would somewhere stand around 8,800 odd crores, right? And in the previous year, we have grown at around 20%. And this year also, before we got these orders, we were estimating anything between 12 and 15. But now for sure, we are very confident to do anything between 15 and 20% growth this year, protecting our margin, which in any case, is something which we have been doing in the last 3 to 4 years.
Do you think that stronger names like you or companies that have, shown that execution can be done even in the time when industry is not doing execution will be the big beneficiary of this recovery?
Well, I think, in this business, for sure, execution is a concern. And that is where we learned that, we should not be growing or we should not endeavor to grow at a very high pace, because then execution becomes a challenge. The way we have geared up our company in the last 4 years on processes and systems, I think we are very much capable of, handling a growth up to 25% for sure. So looking at that number, we are very comfortable to get these orders.
To us about the net debt, which has been continuously going down, do you expect further reduction?
Well, that's a challenge. We have, good is that we have been able to work very strongly on the same again in the last 3 years. And even despite the growth which we have registered in the previous year of 20%, we have not allowed the debt to go up. This year again, for sure, we have the endeavor to keep it at the same level. But, in government projects and all this, at times, there are some challenges, hiccups, which comes maybe for a 1 or 2 month time period. So, and we are still doing our annual budgeting. But to answer your question, for sure, we will endeavor to see that, it does not goes up during the year. It's a hard task, but the entire team is geared up to see that if we are able to manage it within the same numbers.
All right. Thank you for joining in. Congratulations on the order win.